What's up, team? In today's video, I want to have a look at Veracity, currently up 21%. As you guys can see right here, we regained the top 500 spot on CoinMarketCap, currently ranked 490, trade under 1 cent, not bad, $35 million market cap, also pretty low, but of course high potential for a massive explosion. 361,000 people on the watch list, so this thing keeps on being added to people's watch list, which is very fantastic. We're also going to be having at a Bitcoin TA before we start a VRATA, but let's have a look at the exchanges. Okay, so we're listed on KuCoin, top 10 exchange, Gate, top 10 exchange, Huobi, top 10 exchange, and Bitfinex, top 10 exchange. Okay, guys, Veracity is most likely going to be listed on Binance, Coinbase, FTX as we go on. We have to be patient, but we know, and it's also listed on crypto.com, guys, so that's also a huge exchange in America and Europe, very regulated. So that's that. Of course, we have Uniswap on the decks and so on. Poloniex, also a really good exchange. Okets also as well. So we have a few amazing exchanges right here. Femix as well, that is listing on Veracity. Now, I know a lot of people want Binance, but guys, we are in a bear market. This does not mean that Veracity is going to go to $1 today. Okay, we have a few things that I want to have a look at, and before I want to have a look at this chart on VRA on the weekly time frame, I do want to have a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king and Bitcoin is the leader, starting off with the daily time frame right here. Okay, so first of all, on the daily time frame, guys, the RSI is moving up. Okay, the RSI is moving up, and we're still on a downtrend, guys. We are still on a downtrend. Things are looking, I don't want to say they're looking bad, but things are looking, pretty decent. Nothing too crazy to see over here. Bitcoin is getting at resistance right now, sitting at 30,681. We've been actually going sideways. If we have a look on the 15-minute time frame, we've actually been consolidating, and we're either waiting for a next leg up or next breakout, or maybe perhaps a dump. Now, we know that every time we have a nice leg and we consolidate, it ends up being a Bart Simpson's pattern and we end up coming back down. So this pattern is definitely something we're going to watch. Can this be a fake out? Can this be a breakout? We're going to have to see. Having a look on the 4-hour time frame right here, it seems like we did break out of it. We are above it on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see right here, the green is above right here, all this resistance right here. But of course, what matters is really the daily time frame, guys. Can we essentially get above the daily time frame right here? Can we get a nice closure above the EMA ribbon? Can we get a closure above resistance right here? So that being said, this is a bunch of questions that we're gonna have to ask ourselves before taking trades and before FOMOing into the market, because I don't see that happening. I don't think Bitcoin is gonna break this EMA ribbon sitting at the 55 right here. I think this is very strong, and as you guys can see, we already got rejected and we're currently sitting right now. Now, if this does end up and we do end up getting rejected, I wouldn't be surprised if we one more time retest this right here, the 28,659 level. Now, if we do find a breakout, and we do have a breakout right here, the number one level I'm going to be watching, of course, guys, is this level, okay, the 31,000 level. Of course, no brainer. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back and retest this this candle right here. After that, it could be $35,000, which is currently sitting approximately right here. All these weeks that we had, so we're gonna have to see how this flows by the end of the week. Very possible that we get a bounce, guys, this week and next week. Like I said, we closed 9 straight candles, guys, 9 straight red candles in a row. So we're gonna have to see how this plays out. Having a look at VRA looking pretty good, up 21% of the day, as you guys can see, or since the last thing started. If we have a look right here, sorry guys. If we have a look right here, we are oversold a little bit. I mean, overbought. We are a little bit overbought. So it seems like a correction could be in the play. Maybe come back and retest this area right here. This area right here, which is our previous support. As you guys can see, we do have a pretty strong and decent support. So a retest coming back here and then popping back up is, of course, very possible. At the end of the day, we're gonna have to see what Bitcoin does. But something that I do want to look at is the weekly time frame, guys, on VRA. I mentioned that VRA could come back and retest this level right here. Okay, this is a strong resistance, guys, right here, sitting at 0.8, 0.09. Very strong resistance, guys, in my opinion. So we're gonna have to see how this plays out. In my opinion, we're most likely gonna see a nice little rally, dead cat bounce before coming back down and retesting the 0.003. Of course, everything depends on Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin goes up, altcoins will go up. If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will dump as well. So nothing too crazy. At the end of the day, you want to use Bitcoin as your main indicator, and that's about it. But guys, overall, prediction on VRA, I'm very, very bullish for the next bull run in 2023, 2024, even 2024, 2025. I think this can easily go to $1 in that bull run. We got a lot of exchanges, we have partnerships and so on. So that's about it. Overall, I'm bullish. I hope it keeps coming down so I could accumulate more. And that's about it. All this right here that we're seeing is pretty short term in my opinion. And in the long run, we're still in a bear market. So if you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we could potentially get a rejection right here at the EMA ribbon. And I'll see you guys in my next video.